Good afternoon, traders. It is excuse me. It is Monday, March 20th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. And hey, Trader Bob is happy. You know, a week ago I put together a new portfolio, and I really spent some time on that. And I thought, you know, this is good. This is gonna go. And then we started trading it last week, and it didn't go. It was just like more of the same. And I was really pretty discouraged by the end of the week. Um, but today it finally took hold. What happened today is what I expect this new portfolio to do. This is the statistics we closed out from what we had from Friday. Didn't get any better. We closed out negative 2,600. But the big thing that happened is we are carrying 9 positions. 8 are positive, only one's negative, and we're carrying over $23,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. Now, those are the kind of days we need to make money. You know, we can't bump around with making $2,000 or $3,000 on one day and then losing 4,000 for the next 2 days. That isn't how you make money. We need these big days, and today we finally got a big day, and it was all in the new stocks that I put in there, and yeah, I I I'm back to saying I think this portfolio is going to work. Anyway, as far as the Dow just continued to swish around like it usually has been doing lately. It ended up closing negative 10. It didn't affect anything that we were doing. We were mostly in biotech stocks, and they just did great. And let me show you just a little bit of that. This first one is in Corbus Pharmaceuticals, which we had bought on Friday. This was the one decent trade we had on Friday. Well, no, it really wasn't decent on Friday. I take that back. It basically closed break even on Friday, but it did this humongous gap up and rally this today. And of course, when that happens, we stay in it. Um, but we are holding positive over $4,000 in Corbus Pharmaceuticals on that trade. I'll show you another good one here. This is AUPH, and that is Aranea Pharmaceuticals, and I think that was a trade that looked really good, and then it really went crappy on us. But I wasn't in it because I was transitioning. But a couple of customers did get in it, and they kind of got their clocks cleaned. So they probably had a pretty bad feeling about Aranea Pharmaceuticals. But let me tell you, you just got to go back a couple weeks, and this thing had like a couple $15,000 trades. I mean, really good trades. So don't knock this stock. This is a hot stock. Anyway, we got into this today, about 45 minutes in, and it just screamed. And we're holding over $4,000 in Aranea Pharmaceuticals on the close today. And finally, this is a big one. This was the monster. This is the Spirion Pharmaceuticals. And we had this in our portfolio a while back. I took it out, and then I started looking at it recently. I says, that was a big mistake to take that thing out. Anyway, it looks today. Oh boy, I wish we had bought this on Friday. I mean, I'd be ready for retirement if I'd bought this on Friday. But we buy the gaps. And look at this gap. This thing is gapping up like 65, 70% on the open. And who buys 65, 70% gaps? Nobody does. But this is the advantage of a mechanical system, because our mechanical system would have bought anything from here or higher. It goes way up here. Our mechanical system says buy. Nobody in their right mind's going to buy there. That's insane. And oftentimes the most insane and scariest trades are the one that make the money. And that's exactly what happened. We jumped in here with 2250 shares in Aspirian, and it keeps going. It keeps going. And we have over $12,000 in open trade equity in that Aspirian thing. And that's because we followed the system. No rational thinking there. No rational person would buy that gap. But we follow the system. We got over $12,000 open trade in that. Now, of course, we're not out of it yet. Knock on wood. But this was very, very strong. Really showed no evidence of pulling back anytime during the day. Finishes pretty strong, pretty close to the high there. I think we're going to get more out of that tomorrow. Anyway, great day. I feel like I'm, getting back to the good old stuff now. And I'm feeling really good about it. So this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.